Hello. So at the moment your pivot position is here for the cylinder. So, but you see here, this one is not grayed out. So mesh to pivot gizmo. So when you select here the pivot thing, you see here your object center is here at the moment. So when you press here inside the group, here the local reset option, then it resets not the pivot, so it resets the object center to this point. I hope you understand it. So you have to go back and bake here the the position of the pivot. So when you select now here object, this is now the correct position, and when you now here reset the translation, it jumps to this point. Okay. Hope it helps. Ciao.